In this video, I'm going to show you the best trading platform for meme coins in my opinion, okay? So this platform is actually called Axiom Pro or Axiom Trade, and there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you will get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever, so make sure you check it out. Now, when you create an account over here on Axiom Pro, which is my favorite exchange, by the way, there's a lot of different platforms you can trade meme coins on. This is just my favorite, but you can use any really. And over here, it's just great because, in my opinion, I think it's the best just because of the pure functionalities and speed that it offers. Now, as you can see, the kind of interface is very, very smooth. Now, it's basically very clean. You can see everything, and it's quite self-explanatory. What you can see, you have the Discover, you have Pulse, where you can see your new pairs, your final stretches, and your migrated coins, so the ones that are getting put on here. You can also use trackers, so you can have different wallets that you are tracking and then see the live trades of those wallets. It's actually very quick. You can also see Twitter alerts, which are available after you trade more than 5 Solana, and you can access the Twitter feed, which will basically allow you to quickly see what's going on Twitter, because that usually affects the movement and different coins being launched over here on different platforms. You also have the perpetuals, which are great. This is basically something not every single platform has, and of course it's a big bonus. You can also click on yield over here, and you can earn passive income with a over 3% APY if you want to, of course. And then you can see your portfolios and your rewards, because it also offers a reward system, which means you get your referral code, and if you refer people, you will get rewards, as well as those people who you referred will get rewards for that as well, and different bonuses and stuff like that. So for me, this is the best platform purely because of its speed. You can even change different fees down here, so the slippage, priority, and bribe fees. You can select different presets, and it makes it just very easy to filter things out and buy things easily, because as you can see, you can set different filters in here. And via that, you can try to avoid some of those scams who are flying in here, and basically just try to find the best coins for you to make as much money as possible. If I go to Discover over here, you can also see that you have different time formats which you can use. You have different settings, and yeah, so as I said, to me, this is the best platform. You can check it out. As I said, there's a link down below. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.